All right, guys, here we are. This is take two. Apparently my phone ran out of storage, so I got to redo this video. Had to delete a bunch of stuff, but we made it to Long Island. We left at 6 this morning, got here at 9:30. Those guys are actually getting the roof components all out. We did get the bar in, and it was the easiest drop off in the history of Tiki Kevs. So we have the box truck here today, and we brought my truck and the trailer. My truck is behind that little Ford in front of my big Ford. But anyway, I backed the trailer up and we came right through the front yard. Bob was nice enough to take 2 sections of his fence out before we even got here. And I just pulled in and backed right up to the location, which was really nice. And all we did was drop the bar off. We didn't have to wheel it anywhere. We didn't have to do anything. This was like one of the easiest. Bob, I had to clear out some space on my phone. I have to retake the video.
All right.
Do you remember what we said the first time?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
The dust is no charge.
Oh, that's right. The dust on the bar is no charge.
I don't forgetting that.
Yes. So we actually backed the trailer right up to the deck here and dropped it right on the deck. I mean, placed it right on the deck. So I'm going to start setting these poles up, get the braces on. Scott and Jim are going to start putting the roof together. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go behind them and back screw everything. And we'll see what it looks like in another hour or two. And yeah, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. Maybe it's just my thing. Who knows? I don't even think I need the electrical. Oh, I will. We're going to take the plugs off the bar and I'm going to hardwire it. So just anywhere out of the way, Larry. I mean, yeah, there you go. We will need the table set up and the ladders out here so I can get up there and put those poles in.
That's still in the truck?
Yeah, everything's strapped to the side. And Jim, the table, what we'll do is get the table set up, the tool, maybe set the table up right there.
There's power right there.
Yep, and then we'll get all the batteries charging. Yeah, keep everything in the shade. And we'll need those blankets too to cover the bar. All right, well, table strapped right there where Scott is to the sidewall of the truck. All right, well, I got to get to work. What's that, Patty? What? Look at that face. Look how, dude, I'm trying to drive and she's screaming in the back seat, making all kinds of noises.
I had a heart attack in the back.
Larry did great driving the box truck. Him and Scott came in the box truck. But anyway, I'm going to get back to work. We're just getting set up now, and we'll have another video shortly. All right, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, here's our midway done video. So Scott's almost halfway done the roof. And I went as far as I could. I got the refrigerator in. I got the electric run. So as soon as Scott gets up to the top, and he stops cutting the stalks, I'll be able to put the ceiling fan in. But we got an outlet for a TV. And this one's pretty cool. This one gets a glass refrigerator. And it's got a cool little blue light on it too.
That's the last one?
Yeah.
You need one more?
And now it stays steady blue light. It's pretty neat. I'll get a better video when the temperature's starting to go down.
Back to longs.
Back to longs, Patty. I'm out of your way. Whoa, bossy, bossy. There's Jimmy the finger. All right, yep, footrest is, I gotta put the end caps on. This was originally supposed to be plug-in. So I had two circuits in this one. Each was supposed to get plugged into a separate source, but they put electric in there. So what we did is we drilled a hole under the footrest there. We ran the wires under the deck and tied it into where they needed it tied in. So they got 2 separate circuits, one for the roof, one for the bar. So I cut the plug ends off and we just tied it all in. And then put their deck back together. Right, Patty? Yeah, whatever. All right. All right, that's the mid-afternoon video. So it turned out to be a nice day. It's warm, it's sunny. Jimmy the finger. All right, well, the next video will be a continuation of this, but it will be at the end. Here's Crabby Larry. Hey, Crabby, you all right?
Yeah.
You realize Crabby was 19 at the beginning of the summer when he started helping me? He looks like he's 70 now. All right, till the next video, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, we are done. There's Crabby bringing the cooler. Before you throw that in there, can you grab some drinks for the ride home? Like maybe a couple waters and Gatorades. If you and Scott want some, I want some in my truck. We are loaded up. That is the last thing going in, is the cooler. So let's see. There's the trash there. Scott thatched the roof again. Thank you, Scott. Where'd everybody go? All right, well, guys, this is a wrap here in Oakdale, New York, in Long Island. The deck was already here. We didn't have to do that, otherwise we'd be here for another couple of hours. But this is an 8x8 custom red cedar tiki bar and a cedar roof, because I vetoed my decision to use the pressure treated, so we went with the cedar. And we used just about every palm in the truck. So we packed 680. There's probably close to 100 left from the last job. So probably did about 725. I'm going to call the number on this one. So that was a lot of palms. No stools with this one. You can see the rope lighting under there, I think. And let's see who did this. Tiki Kev. That's right. Tiki Kev did this. Scott thatched the roof. I built the bar and roof. So let's see what we have here. All right, and this is the one that's been in the video in the shop for how long? So we have a glass refrigerator. Put a glass door refrigerator in this one. It has a nice blue light. So when you close it, the light will reflect off of, I guess, whatever's in there. Let's see if the temperature's coming down. Yes, it's down to 41. All right, it started out at 76 when we pulled it out of the truck. So this one has a nice bin as well. Nice little ice bin there. And I put a little shelf in there just to cover up the seam on the lower bar top. And the rope lighting and cabinets and a 52-inch ceiling fan. I got the light on right now. It's a little breezy out. We didn't need the fan on, but the fan does work. So, and there's a nifty little switch here. Shuts everything off in the roof. There's 2 circuits in this one. One for the bar, one for the roof. And originally it was supposed to be a plug-in. So I made 2 12-foot cords for the bar. And we didn't have to do that. So what I did is I cut the plugs off. That's where the plugs were going to come out. We drilled a hole through the deck. And they had a junction box right there. We tied everything in. So I think that about wraps it up for Oakdale, New York. You guys happy? Thumbs up. All right, we got a thumbs up. Oh, we got a couple thumbs up. All right. All right. So all these videos will be spliced together. And we're calling a call of the day. It took us 3.5 hours to get here. I'm sure we're going to hit a shit ton of traffic going back. So who knows what time we're getting back. What time is it? Anybody got the time? It's almost 4?
No, 3:35.
3:35. All right, we're out of here in 10 minutes. All right. Well, from Jimmy the Finger, Patti Fahy, Crabby Larry, and Scot Dewitt from Oakdale, New York, and Long Island, New York. Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, that about wraps it up for our Long Island Tiki Bar install in Oakdale, New York. We just got back a few minutes ago. Crabby and Scott just pulled in about 5 minutes after we did. And we pre-ordered some food, told them to have it at the house by 8:15. So we weren't even here for 2 minutes and the food showed up. So that was perfect. And there's Jimmy eating. There's Crabby. There's Scott and Patty. And Barry there, sitting right there. We gave him a call and he brought a couple 6-packs of beer over to fill the fridge. So we were getting kind of low. We had a bunch of people over all week at night. And puppies were happy to see us. But that was a good road trip. It took us 3.5 hours to get there. It took us almost 4.5 to get back. And it took about 6 hours of install. So that was about a 14-hour day. And everybody's amped up from the drive. So it was a very good install. So we had a good time out there. I hope you guys enjoy your Tiki Bar. Whew, I'm tired. I can't even think of things to say right now. This has been a long day. And it was, I'll tell you what, it was a beautiful day. The traffic sucked, but while we were working, it was a really nice day. So everybody did a great job. And I hope everybody is happy with what we did today. So I will keep this nice and short from the Lost Island Tiki Bar. Tiki Kev out.